Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little tutorial on how you guys can achieve this high ponied hairstyle. This is great for anytime you want to wear your hair up, and it's super easy. I haven't done anything to my hair right now. This is how my hair naturally looks. And by the way, the reason why I'm wearing this outfit is because I was filming this makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to know how to create this makeup look, then I'll link it in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get started on this hairstyle. Make sure that your hair is pretty much non-frizzy. What you'll need to achieve this hairstyle is a teasing comb or a regular comb. You're going to need some bobby pins. I got some right here. You want the closed ones and the U-pins, which are right here. You're also going to need a rubber band to tie your hair with, or you can use little baby elastic rubber bands. You also need hair extensions. In order to get that nice, sleek, long pony, you will need really long hair, which I don't have. So if you're on the same boat as me, then you will need hair extensions. You can use any hair extensions really. These are 8-piece hair extensions and they're from the brand Sensual. These are 18 inches long. You can use 24-inch as well, but I have the 18-inch ones. You'll also need some hairspray. This is the Sebastian Sharper Plus. First, what you're gonna do is divide your hair in half, like you're doing a half up, half down, just like that. And I'm going to section this off, something that'll help keep your hair apart because we're gonna join them together in a second. So just comb it really high and tie it up as high as you can. You can get a small rubber band like this. I personally like to use one of these because those baby ones always rip my hair out. Now what I'm going to do is let go of the bottom section and I'm going to bring that all the way up. And when I bring it up, I'm going to grab my teasing comb and I'm going to comb it so it's nice and smooth in the back and it doesn't have any of those weird little bumps, because I usually tend to have those. I'm going to get my other hair tie right here, and I'm just gonna tie this one as well. This is the first and second scrunchie you see on here, and using 2 scrunchies just helps with that added lift and volume on your pony, which is what I like. So we're gonna go ahead and add the hair extensions in. So let's go ahead and clip these guys on. The way I like to clip it on is I like to go with the longest hair extension weft first, and I like to wrap that around. All right, so go right on top of the rubber band and then clip it in. All right, and then you just go all the way around the pony and clip it in. You just clip it into the pony upside down, just like that. And then you do this one, you go around the pony, and then you just clip it in, and just like that, okay? And I'm gonna do that with all the hair extensions, and there's 8 pieces. Remember, you wanna grab the longest wefts first, and then go on to the shorter ones, all right? And again, if you have really good quality hair extensions, they won't be as thin as this. I got these from Sally's, so they're super, super thin. As you get the shorter wefts, they're not gonna go all the way around your ponytail because it's not going to be, the weft isn't going to be long enough. So you're gonna just have to attach it right here, like right on your hair. Then you wanna go ahead and grab your hairspray. You wanna do this before you like wrap your pony with a piece of your hair to cover up all the weft. Just spray all over, or you could even spray your teasing comb and then just smooth out the front. So since I have a lot of flyaways in the back, I like to use these little baby pins to secure it and prevent them from falling later on. Just like that. Okay, and flip your hair back. Go ahead and grab a piece from the back of your pony, right here, and then just wrap it, and just like that. You just gotta play with it. You can start pinning it right now if you want. That way it does not move. All right, now it's time to go ahead and fill in the hairline. I usually do it with an eyeshadow, and what I normally do it with is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. It's the dark brown right here. You wanna get a big brush to do this. It just gets the job done a lot quicker. And I just go in there, grab it, and shade it in. Alright, so I just went ahead and filled in my hairline right now, and this is what it looks like from afar. Let me go ahead and come a little closer so you guys can see what it looks like. So I didn't fill it in like crazy. It does look natural. You don't want to do too much if you have like a lot of baby hairs like me, just because it'll look really obvious that you filled it in. Alright guys, that practically wraps up this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content, and love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!